Hi, this is Ole Hedal with AchieveInMath.com, and today we're going to take a look at multiplying monomials. And the steps to do the problem is, first of all, make sure that you copy the problem correctly. The second step is to write each term in expanded form, and the third step is to multiply the numbers and write variables in exponent form. It's really fairly easy if you make sure that you write it out correctly in exponent form. Let's take a look at three problems. First problem, 3x squared y times the quantity 2x y to the fourth. So what we're going to do here is write each one in expanded form. So this first one is 3x squared is x times x, and then we have y to the first power, just y, and over here we have 2 times x, and that's y to the fourth, so that's y times y times y times y. So in this problem here, what we do is multiply the numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. We have x times x times x, so x times x times x in exponent form is x to the third power. And then we have a y right here, and y times y times y times y, and that's y to the fifth power. There's that first problem. Let's look at another problem. 3x squared in parentheses times parentheses 12y to the third power. Now in this problem here, we really have no x's to combine x squared. There's no x's here, and there's no y squared on the first term. So what we can basically do is skip writing the variables in expanded form. We can just multiply the 3 times 12, that's 36. Then we have x squared, and then we have y to the third power. So make sure you don't say x, y to the fifth power. Okay, the last problem involves a fraction, parentheses, 1/2, ab to the fourth power, parentheses, 8ab. In this problem here, we're going to write it out in exponential form, so that's 1/2 times a times b times b times b times b. b to the fourth is b times b times b times b times 8 times a times b. So let's multiply the fractions. 1/2 times 8, or 1/2 of 8 is 4. A times a is a squared. b times b times b times b times the last b here is b to the fifth power. Now none of these problems involve negative exponents. What we can do is take a look at those at another time. This is Ole Hedal with AchieveInMath.com. If you would like to have individual tutoring, go to this site right here where I can help you online with your math problems. Thank you very much for listening.